Welcome back to Next Zen Tools Zone. Today I'm excited to show you 21 new woodworking tools that can seriously upgrade your workshop and make projects faster, cleaner, and more fun. Whether you love DIY builds, professional carpentry, or weekend garage projects, these tools bring clever designs and precision that every maker appreciates. Most of them are trending right now on Amazon and getting great feedback from woodworkers. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product reviews. Precision Drill Guide Pro. The Precision Drill Guide Pro is a must-have if you want perfectly straight, accurate holes every single time. I love how it transforms a standard handheld drill into a mini drill press, giving you way more control without taking up shop space. The adjustable depth stop makes repeat drilling simple and consistent, especially for dowel joints and hardware installation. Its sturdy base keeps everything stable even on tougher hardwoods. What really stands out to me is the smooth vertical travel, which reduces wobble and improves precision dramatically. If you're tired of slightly crooked holes ruining your projects, this tool fixes that fast. It's compact, easy to set up, and perfect for cabinetry, furniture builds, and repair work. For accuracy-focused woodworkers, this is a serious upgrade worth adding to your bench. It's simple, precise, and incredibly reliable. ProMark Wheel Gauge. The ProMark wheel gauge is one of those small tools that makes a huge difference in layout work. I've found that the sharp wheel cutter delivers cleaner, more precise marking lines compared to traditional scratch-alls or pencils. It slices wood fibers instead of tearing them, which means less splintering and more accurate cuts. The Micro Adjust feature allows super fine measurements, making it perfect for joinery like mortise and tenon or dovetails. I also appreciate the solid locking mechanism that keeps the setting secure while working. The body feels durable and balanced in hand, giving you better control over long layout lines. If you care about tight-fitting joints and professional results, this marking gauge is a smart addition to your toolkit. It's simple, precise, and incredibly reliable. SafeGrip Push Block. Safety always comes first in my workshop, and the SafeGrip Push Block is a tool I highly recommend. It provides solid control when guiding wood through a table saw, router table, or joiner. The ergonomic handle feels comfortable and keeps your hands well away from spinning blades. I really like the high friction base, which grips the workpiece securely and prevents slipping during cuts. That added stability gives me more confidence and smoother results. It's especially useful for narrow rips and thinner stock where hand placement can get risky. The durable construction means it can handle heavy use without wearing down quickly. If you're looking to boost both safety and precision while cutting, this push block is a simple yet powerful investment for any woodworking setup. Zirconia Sanding Belt Set. The Zirconia Sanding Belt Set is a game changer when it comes to aggressive material removal and long-lasting performance. I've used plenty of sanding belts, and Zirconia really stands out for durability and heat resistance. These belts cut fast and stay sharp longer, especially when working with hardwoods or metal. The reinforced backing helps prevent tearing, even during heavy sanding sessions. I also appreciate how evenly they wear down, giving consistent results across the entire surface. Whether you're flattening glued panels, shaping edges, or removing old finishes, these belts handle tough jobs efficiently. They fit most standard belt sanders and come in multiple grits for different stages of finishing. If you want smoother surfaces with less belt swapping, this sanding set is a reliable choice. Dado Blade Set. If you build cabinets or shelving, the Dado Blade Set is a serious upgrade for clean, precise joinery. I love how it creates flat-bottom grooves that fit shelves and panels perfectly. The adjustable stack design allows you to dial in the exact width you need, which makes customization easy. The carbide tipped teeth stay sharp and produce smooth cuts with minimal tear out. I've noticed significantly cleaner dado slots compared to standard blades. Setup is straightforward, and once installed correctly, it runs smoothly and efficiently. It's ideal for making strong joints in plywood, hardwood, and other sheet goods.
If you want professional quality grooves for cabinets or bookcases, this blade set delivers consistent results and makes your woodworking projects look far more refined and durable. Precision Stair Tread Gauge. The Precision Stair Tread Gauge is a huge time saver when fitting stair treads or shelves between walls. I've struggled before with uneven walls throwing off measurements, and this tool solves that problem perfectly. It locks into place once adjusted, allowing you to transfer exact dimensions directly to your material. That means fewer mistakes and less wasted wood. The sturdy construction ensures accuracy while cutting, and it holds its shape during transfer. I especially like how it simplifies tricky angled or tight spaces. Instead of measuring multiple times and hoping for accuracy, you just set, lock, and trace. It's a practical tool for anyone working on stair installations or custom shelving. For precise fitting in challenging spaces, this gauge is incredibly helpful.
Pro-Rip Fence Extension. The Pro-Rip Fence Extension instantly expands your table saw's cutting capacity. I find it especially useful when working with large panels or wide boards. It provides additional support and stability, reducing wobble and improving accuracy during long cuts. The installation process is simple, and once attached, it aligns smoothly with most standard fences. I really appreciate how it improves safety by keeping materials steady and properly guided. The durable construction ensures it stays straight and dependable over time. For cabinetry projects or sheet goods, this extension makes cutting more controlled and less stressful. If you want cleaner rip cuts and better handling of oversized materials, this upgrade adds serious versatility to your saw without requiring a full equipment overhaul. Precision Stair Gauge Set. The Precision Stair Gauge Set makes laying out stair stringers much easier and more accurate. I love how these small attachments lock securely onto framing squares, allowing consistent and repeatable measurements. Once set, they eliminate guesswork and speed up layout work significantly. The solid metal construction ensures durability, and the knurled screws hold tight without slipping. This tool is ideal for both new stair builds and renovation projects. It helps maintain consistent rise and run dimensions, which is critical for safety and code compliance. I've found that it reduces marking errors and keeps everything aligned properly. If you're tackling stair construction, this gauge set gives you better accuracy and confidence. It's compact, reliable, and a must-have for precise stair layout work. AnglePro Drill Protractor. The AnglePro Drill Protractor is perfect for drilling at precise angles without complicated setups. I've used it for angle joinery, handrails, and custom builds where accuracy really matters. The clear angle markings make adjustments quick and easy, and it locks firmly into position once set. I appreciate how lightweight and portable it is, making it great for both shop and on-site work. It pairs well with most handheld drills and adds a new level of control to angled drilling tasks. Instead of guessing or eyeballing angles, this tool ensures consistency. The sturdy construction helps maintain alignment during drilling, which reduces mistakes. If you often work with angled cuts or joints, this protractor is a simple yet powerful solution for improving precision. Abrasive Cleaning Stick Duo. The Abrasive Cleaning Stick Duo is one of those underrated tools that extends the life of your sanding belts and discs. I use it regularly to remove built-up pitch, resin, and debris from abrasive surfaces. Just press it against a running sanding belt and it instantly clears away gunk. This improves sanding performance and reduces the need for frequent replacements. The dual-pack design is convenient for keeping one in the shop and one near portable sanders. It's simple but incredibly effective. I've noticed smoother sanding and more consistent finishes after cleaning my abrasives. It saves money in the long run and keeps tools performing at their best. For maintaining sanding equipment efficiently, this cleaning stick duo is a smart, budget-friendly addition. AnglePro Deck Fastener Tool. The AnglePro Deck Fastener Tool is designed to simplify deck board installation with consistent spacing and angled fastening. I like how it helps create clean, professional-looking decks without visible screw heads on the surface. The built-in spacing guide ensures even gaps between boards, which improves both appearance and drainage. It works smoothly with compatible fasteners and keeps everything aligned during installation. I've found that it speeds up deck projects significantly while maintaining precision. The sturdy design handles outdoor conditions and repeated use without issues. Whether you're building a new deck or upgrading an existing one, this tool makes the process more efficient and accurate. For cleaner finishes and faster deck installations, it's definitely worth considering. Carbide CNC Engraving Set. The Carbide CNC Engraving Set is perfect for detailed carving and engraving work. I've used it for decorative patterns, lettering, and custom signage, and the results are impressively clean. The carbide tips are sharp, durable, and designed to handle hardwood and softer materials with ease. These bits maintain their edge longer than standard steel options, reducing replacements. The variety of tip shapes allows flexibility for different engraving styles and depths. They fit most CNC machines and routers, making them versatile for many setups. I really appreciate the precision they offer for intricate designs. If you're into custom woodworking or personalized projects, this engraving set opens up creative possibilities. It's a reliable upgrade for achieving fine, professional-looking details.
Pro Spiral Thickness Planer. The Pro Spiral Thickness Planer delivers smoother finishes with less tear-out compared to traditional straight-knife planers. I'm impressed by how the spiral cutter head creates cleaner cuts, especially on figured or knotty wood. It also runs quieter, which makes long shop sessions more comfortable. The adjustable depth control allows precise material removal, and the powerful motor handles hardwood with ease. I've noticed reduced sanding time after planing because of the improved surface quality. The sturdy build ensures stability and consistent performance. Dust collection is efficient, keeping the workspace cleaner. If you're serious about flattening boards and achieving uniform thickness, this planer is a major upgrade. It enhances accuracy, finish quality, and overall productivity in any woodworking setup. Precision 3D Setup Blocks. The Precision 3D Setup Blocks are incredibly useful for setting exact blade heights and fence distances. I rely on them for repeatable measurements on table saws, router tables, and drill presses. Made from durable materials, they offer consistent thicknesses that help eliminate guesswork. I love how they speed up setup time while improving accuracy across projects. Whether adjusting dado depth or router bit height, these blocks make fine-tuning simple. The engraved markings are easy to read, and the solid design ensures reliability. Instead of using a ruler each time, you just stack and measure quickly. For woodworkers who value precision and efficiency, these setup blocks are a fantastic addition. They improve workflow and deliver consistent, professional-level results.
Classic Carpenter Block Plane. The Classic Carpenter Block Plane is a timeless tool that belongs in every workshop. I use it for trimming edges, smoothing end grain, and fine-tuning joinery. The sharp blade slices cleanly through wood, leaving a polished finish. Its compact size makes it easy to control with one hand, especially for detail work. I appreciate the adjustable blade depth, which allows precise shaving thickness. The sturdy body feels balanced and comfortable during use. It's perfect for fitting doors, chamfering edges, or cleaning up saw marks. Even with modern power tools available, a reliable block plane adds finesse to projects. For clean finishing touches and precise adjustments, this classic hand tool remains an essential and highly dependable woodworking companion. Pro Cabinet Pull Jig. The Pro Cabinet Pull Jig makes installing cabinet handles and drawer pulls fast, accurate, and stress-free. I've struggled before with uneven hardware placement, and this tool completely eliminates that issue. It features adjustable guides that let you set precise hole spacing for different handle sizes. Once locked in, it repeats the same measurement perfectly across multiple doors and drawers. The built-in measurement scales are easy to read, saving time during setup. I also like the sturdy aluminum construction, which keeps everything aligned without flexing. It works great for both new cabinet installations and quick upgrades. Instead of measuring and remeasuring each piece, you simply clamp, drill, and move on. For consistent, professional-looking cabinet hardware placement, this jig is a serious time saver. Precision Honing Guide Tool. The Precision Honing Guide Tool is essential for keeping chisels and plane irons razor sharp. I always say sharp tools are safer and more effective, and this guide makes sharpening incredibly consistent. It securely clamps your blade at a fixed angle, eliminating guesswork during honing. The smooth rolling action allows even pressure across sharpening stones, producing a clean, polished edge. I appreciate how it supports multiple blade widths, making it versatile for different tools. The solid construction keeps everything stable without slipping mid-stroke. With consistent angles, you get repeatable, professional results every time. Instead of uneven edges or rounded bevels, this guide helps maintain precision. If you care about performance and clean cuts, this honing guide is a must-have for your sharpening routine. Adjustable Shelf Hinge Jig. The Adjustable Shelf Hinge Jig simplifies concealed hinge installation for cabinets and furniture builds. I found it especially useful when working with European-style hinges that require precise cup hole placement. The adjustable depth guide ensures accurate drilling without going too deep. It aligns perfectly with cabinet doors, helping maintain consistent spacing across multiple pieces. The built-in markings make setup quick and easy, even for beginners. I like how securely it holds position while drilling, reducing errors and preventing misaligned hinges. This tool saves time and eliminates frustrating trial and error. Whether you're building new cabinets or upgrading existing doors, it delivers clean, professional results. For accurate hinge placement and smooth door operation, this jig is an incredibly practical addition to your workshop.
Carbide Dowel Cutter Plate. The Carbide Dowel Cutter Plate is perfect for creating custom dowels from your own hardwood stock. I really like how it allows you to match dowel material exactly to your project, ensuring stronger and more seamless joints. The carbide cutting edges stay sharp longer and slice cleanly through wood fibers. Simply drive square stock through the plate and it shapes it into perfectly round dowels. It's a cost-effective way to produce multiple dowels in various sizes. The hardened construction handles tough woods without dulling quickly. I found it especially useful for furniture repairs and traditional joinery projects. Instead of relying on store-bought dowels, you can create durable, custom-fitting pieces. For woodworking flexibility and strong joinery, this cutter plate is a smart investment. Pro Cabinet Door Jig. The Pro Cabinet Door Jig is designed to simplify cabinet door assembly with precise alignment and consistent spacing. I appreciate how it holds rails and stiles firmly in position while fastening or gluing. This reduces shifting and ensures square frames every time. The adjustable clamps accommodate different door sizes, making it versatile for various projects. I've noticed cleaner joints and improved overall door strength when using this jig. Setup is straightforward and it significantly speeds up batch production. The sturdy construction prevents flexing during assembly, maintaining accuracy throughout the process. Whether you're building shaker-style doors or custom designs, this jig keeps everything aligned perfectly. For reliable, repeatable cabinet door construction, it's a practical and time-saving addition to any woodworking setup.
Precision Router Setup Blocks. The Precision Router Setup Blocks are incredibly helpful for dialing in exact router bit heights and fence distances. I use them to achieve consistent cuts, especially for dados, rabbets, and decorative edges. Each block is machined to precise thicknesses, allowing quick and accurate adjustments. Instead of adjusting by eye, you simply place the block and set the bit height accordingly. This reduces setup time and eliminates measurement errors. The clearly marked sizes make them easy to identify during busy projects. I've found they improve repeatability across multiple pieces, which is essential for professional results. Made from durable materials, they maintain accuracy over time. For precise routing and smoother workflow, these setup blocks are a reliable and highly practical addition to your shop.
And that wraps up my review of these 21 new woodworking tools that can seriously upgrade your workshop. From precision measuring tools to powerful cutting and finishing equipment, each one brings something valuable to the table. I always believe the right tool not only improves results, but also makes the entire process more enjoyable. If any of these caught your attention, check out the link in the description for more details. Let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited about. Thanks for watching Next Zen Tool Zone, and I'll see you in the next review.